In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and batch edit alt text for accessibility in PowerPoint. This process is crucial for ensuring that your presentations are accessible to everyone, including those who rely on screen readers. Alt text provides a description of images, shapes, and other objects in PowerPoint to make sure any visual content is communicated effectively. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. Start by opening your preferred internet browser and performing a quick search for Microsoft PowerPoint. This should bring up the Microsoft Office portal as one of the top results. Once you've located it, click the link to navigate to the site. Next, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials handy so you can smoothly access your account without any hitches. Once logged in, find and select PowerPoint from the list of available Office applications. With your PowerPoint interface up and running, we're ready to begin our focus on accessibility enhancements. Navigate to the Review tab. This is located in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Inside the Review tab, you'll find an option called Check Accessibility. Go ahead and click on that. Upon doing so, an accessibility pane will open up on the right side of your screen. This pane is an invaluable feature as it provides a comprehensive list of all accessibility errors and warnings found in your current presentation. Now let's focus on the specific areas that require alt text. Under both the errors and warnings sections in the accessibility pane, you'll find a drop-down labeled Missing Alternative Text. This section is especially important because it pinpoints all the visual objects within your presentation that lack descriptive alt text. Click on the drop-down to reveal a list of all such objects. What makes this process incredibly efficient is the ability to view all items needing alt text adjustments simultaneously. To tackle these one by one, select an object from the drop-down list. When you click on an object, it will automatically be highlighted on your slide, making it easy to locate and identify what needs your attention. Once highlighted, use the text box in the accessibility pane to add or edit the alt text. This feature allows you to type directly into the box to describe the content and purpose of the image or object in a few descriptive words. It's a streamlined way to move quickly from one object to the next without going through the steps of right-clicking every single item. And there you have it, a clear, simple way to add and batch edit alt text in PowerPoint, ensuring your presentations are accessible to all audience members. By making these small yet crucial edits, you're not only enhancing the quality of your presentation, but also fostering an inclusive environment for everyone to participate and benefit from your work.